My name is Yusuf Sheikh. I am from EXTC department. My roll number is 198022 and my topic name is orthogonality and orthonormality. Now, orthogonal set of functions. A set of function f1 of x, f2 of x and fn of x is said to be orthogonal over a, b if fm of x into fn of x dx is equals to 0. If m is not is equals to n. This is case 1, and case 2 is fmx into fn of x into dx is not is equals to 0. If m and m is equals to n, this is second condition. So in orthogonal set of functions, we have been given two cases. In first case, the product of two different functions is equals to 0. That is if m is not is equals to n, and in second case, the product of the same function is not is equals to 0. That is m is equals to n. And in orthonormal set of functions, a set of function f1 of x, f2 of x, fn of x and so on is said to be orthonormal over a and b if fm of x into fn of x dx is equals to 0 if m is not is equals to n, and a limited to b fm of x into fn of x into dx is equals to 1 if m is equals to n. So in orthonormal set of functions, we have been given two different cases. In first case, the product of two different functions should be is equals to 0. That is if m is not is equals to n, and in second case, the product of the same functions should be is equals to 0. That is if m is equals to n. So we are solving one sum on orthogonality and orthonormality. We'll start with solution. Let f1 of x be 1, f2 of x be x, and f3 of x be by 2. Now first we will check case 1. Case 1 is if m is not is equals to n, then the product of these two different functions should be equal to 0 for both orthogonality and orthonormality. Condition is -1 to 1. Check for f1x into f2x dx is equals to value of f1x is 1 and the value of f2x is x to dx. From -1 to 1 we can conclude that this is a even term and this is an odd term, and the multiplication of this and the multiplication of this both term is odd. So value of odd is 0, so x dx, therefore value of x is 0. Now we will check for f1, f2x and f3x. Value of f2x is x, f3x is 3x. Now this is an odd term and this whole term is even, so again we are getting odd into even is odd and the value of odd is odd, that is 0. Now we will take f1 of x into f3 of x dx, that is 1 into 3x square minus 1 by 2 dx. So we will take this 1 by 2 outside, and since this is a even term, we will take 2, 0 to 1 dx. This will get cut and we will get the value 3x After integrating this, we will get that is 0. Now we will go for case 2. If m is equals to n, then the function multiplied by itself should be equal to 0 for ortho and this is equals to 1 for orthonormality. We will take the first case, that is f1 into f1 dx. Since both are the even case, so changes to 0 to 1. After integrating this, we will get now we will go for f2 of x into f2 of x dx, that is x into x dx. We are getting here x square dx. Since this is a even term, we change the limit to 0 to 1. Now after integrating this, we will get hence we conclude answer is 2 by 3. Now we will go for f3 of x into f3 of x dx is equals to, it is minus 1 to limit 1, 3x square minus 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1 by 2 dx. Since this both is a even term, we will take 2, limits will change to 0 to 1, the whole square into dx. Now we will take this 1 by 2 common here. Now we will take the integration of this. Take the limits. So we will get one here. Now it is 4 by 5. Conclude that the value is 2 by 5. So from the solved example, we conclude that when we solve two different set of equation, we got 0, which satisfies the case 1, and when we solve the same set of equation with itself, we get a non-zero number, that is 2, 2 by 3 and 2 by 5. So it satisfies the second case. So from that we conclude that the given set of equation 1x 3x by 2 3x2 minus 1 by 2 is an orthogonal set of equation because it satisfies both the condition of orthogonality, and it is not an orthonormal set of equation because it doesn't satisfy both the cases of orthonormality.